Hello, and in today's video we'll be taking a look at the top 10 fastest birds in the world. If you're new here, remember to hit the like button and even consider subscribing. Let's get into today's top 10. Number 10. Common Swift. The common swift is a medium-sized bird with curved wings and a forked tail. It spends the spring and summer in its natural breeding territories of Europe and Asia and travels to the southern part of Africa for the winter. Curiously, the common swift seems to have two different modes of flight level. When it's in normal flight, it prefers to maintain a consistent speed of 22 to 26 miles per hour, but in the breeding season, the swift seems to have a whole new gear. As it tries to court a mate, the bird can reach a maximum level flight speed of around 70 miles per hour by altering its wings profile and aerodynamic performance, even while ascending through the air. These social displays are called screaming parties because of the harsh sounds it makes while in flight. Number 9. Red-breasted Merganser. The red-breasted Merganser is a type of saw-billed duck with a long, serrated bill and crest feathers around the head. Like many other waterfowl, it prefers to breed in northern climates and then travel towards warmer coastal climates in the winter. One study recorded the maximum flight speed of the red-breasted Merganser at around 18 miles per hour. When the wind was accounted for, the bird actually clocked in at around 100 miles per hour. This makes it the fastest duck species in the entire world. However, it can only maintain such speeds for such a short period of time. Number 8. Grey-headed Albatross. The grey-headed albatross is unique on this list. This bird spends almost its entire life at sea, sometimes roaming more than 8,000 miles in search of food. The only time it returns to land is for the breeding season. With a wingspan of more than 7 feet, albatrosses don't so much fly as float along the wind to minimise the flapping motion and conserve energy. This allows it to achieve a maximum flight speed of nearly 18 miles per hour according to the BBC. Eurasian Hobby. The Eurasian Hobby is a small, slender species of falcon that breeds in Europe and Asia and then migrates as far south as the tip of Africa for the winter. This bird of prey has a very fast diving motion as it swoops down to capture its prey. It can achieve diving speeds of nearly 100 miles per hour, but perhaps the most remarkable fact about this bird is the exquisite mid-air control. Its maneuverability is so refined that a male can pass food to the female in mid-flight as part of its courtship display. Number 6. White-throated Needletail. The white-throated needletail, which gets its name from the sharp needle-like feathers at the end of the tail, is actually a species of large swift. Hailing from East Asia, it spends a great deal of time in the air, feeding on small flying insects. Based on one study, this species can supposedly reach speeds around 105 miles per hour. However, the actual method used to measure the bird's speeds have never been published, according to the BBC, so this figure has yet to be fully verified. Number 5. Red-tailed Hawk. The red-tailed hawk, which can be found all over the North American continent from Alaska to Panama, is not the fastest flyer on the list. It can only achieve conventional flight speeds of about 20 to 40 miles per hour, but when it spots prey, this bird would suddenly spring into action and dive at speeds of more than around 125 miles per hour. The red-tailed hawk is an opportunist hunter that will eat almost anything, but its favourite meal appear to be rodents and other small mammals. It is aided in this effort by the sharp eyesight, about 8 times as powerful as human vision, which can spot a mouse from some 100 feet away. Number 4. Gyrfalcon. The white-feathered Gyrfalcon is a fascinating species in many different ways. It is believed to be the largest falcon species in the world. It is one of the few birds that can breed along the frigid Arctic coasts. and it's the official mascot of the US Air Force Academy. But the Gyrfalcon is almost among the fastest birds measured in terms of its ability to maintain a consistent level flight speed. Whereas several other birds can exceed their speeds over short bursts, the Gyrfalcon can average about 50 to 68 miles per hour over remarkably long distances without slowing or stopping, which few other species can do. Number 3. Golden Eagle. With a wingspan of 6 to 8 feet, the Golden Eagle is a symbol of both size and power. While its average flight speed of around 28 to 32 miles per hour may not seem that impressive, the Golden Eagle can suddenly leap upon its prey with a dizzying dive speed approaching 150 to 200 miles per hour. Its raw size comes at a cost of some agility and maneuverability though. It cannot quite catch a particularly fast moving bird in mid-flight, but it is capable of killing slower prey as large as a sheep or goat. Number 2. Saker Falcon. The endangered Saker Falcon patrols the open grasslands of Eurasia and Africa to feed on smaller rodents and birds. This fearsome predator swoops down on prey with a dive speed of up to 200 miles per hour and paralyzes it with a quick strike. When in normal flight, it can also achieve a maximum speed of 93 miles per hour. The Saker Falcon is such an important element of some cultures that it was named the national bird of Mongolia. Number 1. Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon takes the crown as the fastest species of bird in the world, an emblem of hunting and culture throughout human history. This bird can achieve speeds of 200 to 240 miles per hour in its deadly high-speed dive, and up to 68 miles per hour while in level flight. To reach such extreme speeds, the falcon has the ability to fold its aerodynamic wings back against its body to reduce drag. According to one study, it will continue to make small adjustments to wing position and speed right up until the moment of contact in order to actually hit its target. Combined with its ability to quickly and accelerate processive vital stimuli, the Peregrine Falcon is able to prey upon fast-moving birds such as pigeons, songbirds, and doves right in mid-air. And that was the top 10 fastest birds in the world. Which one was your favourite? Leave us a comment down below. And also, if you're new here, remember to give us a like and subscribe for more daily top 10 videos and more. See you guys next time.